Hey all, this is Maria from the Sewing Room channel. I was recently at Joann Fabrics and Crafts to shop for fall fabrics for some of my mom Cheryl's upcoming fall project tutorials. We have a separate video for the fall fabric shopping that I will link in the about description of this video. Of course, I couldn't help myself, and I did also take a peek at Joann's fall decor section and thought it would be fun to share with you all the gorgeous fall decor that I saw. How adorable are all of these fall signs. I love that leaf, that gold leaf charger plate. That candle vase holder, the gold one, I also loved. I thought the mix of the textiles on those signs with the leather that said thanks were really cool. Lots of gorgeous throw pillows as well. Love the vibrancy of those amber vases. Wanted to say a quick hello. Joann's really did have a ton of fall decor. I was lucky at our particular store that they had a ton of stuff in stock. There's one fall wreath that I saw. There's more that I also saw coming up. I can't believe that we're almost to the fall season and summer is approaching its end. I love the fall. Fall's one of my favorite times of year. I love that the temperatures drop and the leaves changing. It really is such a wonderful time of year. I know that there are a lot of fans of the fall season. I thought all of these coffee mugs were so adorable. All the different little sayings on them. I can just imagine now drinking some coffee outside, looking at the orange leaves with one of these mugs. I thought these little pumpkin, little pom-pom things were really adorable. I love these pie dishes. I love pie too. They had a bunch of this like fall foliage, which is great to use for accent pieces around your decor. So if you're making some homemade table runners or placemats, you can use some of that on your tablescape. Here are some more fall wreaths that they had. I just love the color gold, and those gold bowls were really pretty. It was difficult not to walk out of the store and not buy everything. There's also some fall kitchen towels here. I know my mom has some tutorials on how to embellish some kitchen towels that you may want to check out. That you can sort of add to these fall towels to make it your own and unique. Love all these votives, great for putting candles in to use as decoration on some fall tablescapes. A lot of the fall decor was on sale. How cute are those turkeys? Got some different woodland creatures that, again, would be cute to sort of, you know, sprinkle around your home. I just love the rich and vibrant colors of the fall season. It's so beautiful. Again, we got some fall foliage garland here. More gold. Towards the end there, you get more of the rich orange and reds. That's what I tend to be more attracted to when I'm looking at fall decor, is those deep reds and oranges and yellows. And they really did have a ton of fall wreaths. Don't have enough doors for all the different wreaths that I saw and loved. Well, that is the end of this shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you would like to see more shopping videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!